With unmatched full HD image quality, the Moticam 1080N range is reborn as your ultimate digital microscopy solution. Discover the new era in imaging. Embrace the advancements of our new design, bringing innovation and style to the forefront of imaging technology. Experience the new onboard software, meticulously developed by experts with insights from the field of digital microscopy. Discover the future of imaging with live measurements, enabling precision in fast-paced environments like never before. Unlock fast Full HD imaging with the Moticam 1080N. Versatile and user-friendly. Improve microscopy with Moticam 1080N BMH, a perfect compact solution for trinocular microscopes featuring a built-in screen. Moticam 1080N INT, the perfect integration with a high-resolution screen, especially designed for the BA microscope series. Full HD, 60 frames per second via HDMI, or 30 via USB and micro SD card. Explore the full range of possibilities with Moticam 1080N cameras. Precision imaging redefined. Meet the Moticam 1080N range at moticeurope.com.